Depth filtration, used as part of the bioreactor harvesting process, removes cell debris from the process stream. These technicians are installing the filter cartridges into a depth filter housing. As with all materials used in the manufacturing process, they carefully inspect each cartridge for damage. They cut out the labels from each cartridge so that the information can be scanned into SAP for tracking as part of the batch history. Each step of the installation process is detailed in an approved standard operating procedure. The technicians carefully follow the procedure step by step. Safety is the most important thing at AbbVie. Notice how careful the technicians are to avoid getting any part of their bodies below this very heavy equipment while it is suspended by the hoist.